60% of people age 18 to 34 regularly feel lonely, so that's depressing. Hey everyone, Laci Green here for D News. Loneliness feels bad, man. That lack of connection with people, like you don't really belong anywhere. Maybe you don't have enough people you can trust or talk to. Loneliness can make you feel empty or invisible. It can be brought on by big life events, and it can set in real good when we no longer feel like we're contributing to something, like we're not a part of a community. The death of a loved one, quitting or changing jobs, moving somewhere new, even growing up and realizing that the world is ice cold. For me, finishing school kind of thrust me into loneliness. Suddenly everyone was moving away and starting their lives, and you hit the real world and suddenly you feel much smaller. I think our modern ways of living aren't exactly people-friendly. More people are living alone now, people are working longer and longer hours, they're working remotely, they're traveling far and wide for jobs. People are using social media more to connect, and folks argue back and forth, is it good, is it bad, is it bringing us together, tearing us apart? And hey, everyone has a different experience. Personally, I find it's good and bad. It's good to keep up with friends when we're apart. It's bad when we don't hang out because we can just IM each other. There's also a real temptation, I think, for us to believe that we can be independent and we don't really need other people. Head down, work your booty off, no problem. But if you look into our nature and observe our behavior, we do actually need each other a lot. People who are lonely are more likely to be depressed and get sick. They're more stressed, more likely to abuse substances and make bad choices. And loneliness from actually being isolated is even worse. Newborns without enough touch from other people won't survive. And when a couple becomes old together and one of them dies, the risk of the other one dying jumps by 50% in the following 6 months. A heartbreaking new study out of the National Academy of Sciences found that the elderly are much more likely to die if they don't have enough contact with people. So if their lover is their primary way of socializing, then that's not good. Didn't it used to be more common for grandma and grandpa to live with their family? With a deteriorating support system, deteriorating health, and social connections beginning to fade, it's no wonder that loneliness is pegged as the silent killer of the elderly. Guys, I think I need a hug. Oh, Anthony. And you know, I think I need to visit my grandma and maybe we could watch some cat videos.
My grandma loves cat videos.
Let's watch them with grandma.
Okay.
Thanks for joining me, guys. We'll see you next time.